Sa studio na to, talaga hindi mahulugang karayom. But from the bottom of our hearts, we'd like to thank you for your support to UP Samascom and of course, Live AIDS, A Laugh Story. Share ko lamang po sa inyo, I've always been vocal that UP Samascom and Live AIDS have been my playground and training ground. Simula po nung nag-aaral po ako dito sa pamantasan ng Pilipinas. And I've always been grateful to all the experiences and learnings na meron po ako mula po sa organisasyong ito. At masasabi ko na UP Samascom has shaped me to be the woman that I am, the performer that I am, and the person that I am. So, every year, hanggat meron po kaming pagkakataon, bumabalik po kami dito sa UP Samascom to show our love and gratitude to this organization. And I'm so happy to say that Live AIDS is back. This is our biggest show yet. This is our 35th installment. Kasabay po yan ang pagdiriwang namin ng golden anniversary ng aming organization. So maraming nagtatanong sa akin, uy, saan ka nga ba na-discover? Saan ba nanggaling si Kalad Karen? And I always say na galing po si Kalad Karen, ipinanganak po siya sa entablado ng Live AIDS. At kung saan man po ako makarating at kung ano man po ang matanggap ko sa buhay ko, whether good or bad, I will always say thank you to Live AIDS and UP Samascom. Kaya nga po, this year, babalik po ulit ako sa entablado ng Live AIDS, whether you like it or not. Kasi parang napipilitan na lang din ako eh. Charot lang. But to be honest with you, I started performing on the Live AIDS stage since Live AIDS 23. I was an applicant ng UP Samascom noon, and I had bit roles. I was a member of opening number, dancer ako noon. And then, kinukuha kaming extra doon sa mga sketches and doon sa mga monologues ng mga monologue artists nung time na yon. Hanggang sa nabigyan kami ng pagkakataon to showcase our talent. Nagkaroon po ako ng chance magkaroon ng opening spiels nung Live AIDS 24. Live AIDS 25, I was a host ng isang sketch. Naging spot dancer na rin ako. I was also actively participating in the creatives. Naging writer din po ako ng Live AIDS. At magpasa hanggang ngayon, I try my best to be involved. Siguro yun yung tinuro sa akin ng UP Samascom. We have to be involved. Whether in societal issues, sa mga pang-araw-araw na nangyayari sa ating lipunan, di ba? Lalo na ngayon, mag-eleksyon, ang gulo-gulo po ng ating bansa, di ba? Especially with the political scene. And I think Live AIDS will bring light to these issues in a fun way. Yun naman ang importante, di ba? Tawanan natin ang problema, pero hindi natin pwede itong kalimutan. We have to address these things on a lighter note naman. Kasi syempre, di ba, I work in the news, I watch the news every day, and napakabigat na ng nangyayari sa ating bansa. And Live AIDS is here to tackle these issues in a very fun way. So doon ako proud sa UP Samascom kasi mulat kami sa mga issue ng lipunan at meron kaming masasabi sa mga issue ito. So samahan niyo po kami dito sa Live AIDS, A Laugh Story. Everybody has a story to tell, and Live AIDS and UP Samascom have something to tell all of you. Ang importante nga po sa Live AIDS, I think it's about time to make this platform more reachable to a bigger audience. Sana hindi na lang siya sa UP, sana buong Pilipinas makapanood nitong aming palabas. That's why we're also trying to be digital, you know, we're adapting to the digital age. So kayo po, kasama po namin kayo, the press people, let us spread the news, the good news that Live AIDS has to offer. Nandito po kami, samahan niyo po kami dito sa journey na to because it will be worthwhile. Lalong-lalo na po dito sa A Laugh Story. Again, this is our 35th installment. It's our 50th anniversary. So this will be a big thing. So I am actually requesting each and every one of you to help us spread the good news. Yun lamang po, and I would like to wish you all the best. Good luck, good health, and God bless you. Ayun. Thank you guys.